Hey fams, wagwan. So today I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about this package that I received from Teddy Blake. And I am in my backyard, by the way, because the baby's inside watching his program on the TV. Don't mind my robe. I am so cold. I am super cold, which is why I'm wearing my robe today. But that's besides the point. We're here to unbox this package and talk about the real status of this package and everything. So let's get straight to it. Now fam, so this is a purse, as I said, from Teddy Blake, and we're gonna unbox it together to see what we really have inside. So this is the packaging. It said Teddy Blake's New York designer handbags, made in Italy, luxury leather, and it goes on. So I've already made an unboxing video to show you guys like the real status and everything. So this is just the purse. The packaging was better, but I've already messed it up. And this says share your look with us on Instagram using hashtag Teddy Blake on Instagram. So let me show you guys this purse. As you guys can see, it's green, and trust me y'all, it's so cute. The material is everything. This purse is really it, honey. I really love this. I hope I can find a nice outfit to wear it with, because it is everything. Just look at that. The leather is leathering. Alright, so how you get this purse to open now, you use these two small stuff. So I'm gonna turn them like that, turn it like that, then I open my purse like that. You have a lot of space inside, can hold your phone, anything that you plan to go on the road with. There's a little package in the back, can hold your cars, your money, and all of those stuff. And down here it said Teddy Blake's New York. Yeah guys, y'all need to come get this purse. And it also comes with an adjustable strap, so you can wear it like a shoulder cross bag if you want to. It comes with an adjustable straps and everything. I have a better unboxing video for you guys, so just watch this. Alright y'all, so you guys can shop this bag and more using the link in my bio down below. The link will be in my bio if you want to visit their Instagram page. That is also in my bio. You can check it out. And my code is a discountable code, so you guys can go ahead and shop with no regrets. So just do enough for them people. Y'all won't regret this, because when you don't know the girl no promote foolishness. Alright fam, so I have one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about today. So the other day my Instagram account was disabled for some dumb reasons. So I've created a new Instagram account because I've noticed that a lot of persons are coming to me and asking me what is wrong with my IG, all of that. So I've just created a new account and I want you guys to go ahead and follow. I am going to put it right here, and I'm also going to put the link in my bio. Not my bio, my description. I get so used to saying bio because I've been doing so many promotions from the other day. So the link will be in my description box down below. I've also created an Instagram post for my son. That link is also in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and follow both pages for me, please. I've noticed that I am not going to get back my old page, so it just makes sense to create a new one, which I have done. I might not get back the amount of followers that I had, but hopefully I get back half or even more. So you guys can just go ahead and follow me and baby Zion right now. And don't forget to shop this Teddy Blake purse using the link down in my description box. So thank you guys for watching this little short video. That's all I had to say to you guys today. You guys know I have more vlogs for you guys, so just stay tuned. Love you, Team Farms. Mwah. Incluso outra. Farms, I bought it this way. I did that.
Not that one, the one there, Bob.
I did that. So y'all, the photo shoot is done and we about to leave. Alright fam, so we just get some starter, onion rings, fried shrimp, boom boom sauce, ketchup, bang bang, bing blang. One only for different sauce. So this is me and my mother's side. And this is Zai empty food. Zai not get no food yet. Zai they are chill. I look for everybody. My son, take up something now. Them the hats, cause my son not like that food, you know. So farms were there.